Hello everyone, Tom Ass from Michigan, and I'm starving over here. As we get a look at the perfect plate of Weber smoked chicken, now let's get started. We're gonna take a pair of poultry scissors and cut the backbone out of this bird. Now you can do this with a knife. It's pretty easy either way. But a good pair of poultry scissors is just snip, snip, snip. I watched Chef Johnny do one. I watched his video and I decided that's a good idea. Maybe I'll get a chicken out and cook her on the Weber. So it's pretty easy to get these out of here. Just take your time. You won't cut your leg off. And you get her spread open and cleaned out. You could just flatten it down with that look of determination on my face. But I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to have two halves. It's all real pretty easy to do. I can get my knife out there and slip her down. Okay, now we're going to take some paper towel and dry these birds off. Get them all dried off, looking pretty. Then we're going to take some French's mustard, use it as a binder. That way the seasoning will stick. It's all just pretty easy. You don't have to go all out. Just you could probably go without the binder, but we'll rub this mustard on here and get it all over. And Chef Johnny used Fajita seasoning. So I thought, hell, that sounded good. So that's what I'm going to use. Right. Look at my spice rack, and there's my Fajita seasoning. So we're going to coat these birds both sides with Fajita seasoning, and I think it's going to be real good. Looks good. His look good. So we'll see what we can do. We're going to have to shovel a path out to our Weber grill. We still got snow on the deck, so grab the shovel and clean a spot. Me and Jesse, we're out getting ready for this. It'll only take a minute. Little here, little there. Get that lid off of that Weber. Get a fire started. Gotta love winter in Michigan. Get some charcoal in here, get her lit. I just put rolled up newspaper under my chimney and light it with my propane torch. Seems to work pretty good most of the time. Regular newspaper works best, but newspapers are becoming a thing of the past. It's hard to come up with a newspaper sometimes. We do the best we can. We get this thing lit up, get us a fire going, get her all ready, get some smoke rolling. Jesse over there making sure I got everything going right. I got some apple wood I'm going to put on my charcoal when it's ready. Got my old Slow and Sear in here. Get her pushed back. There, get a close-up look at what we got going on here. Charcoal's getting there. A little chunk of wood on there. Now we're getting ready. Move that around so our grate will fit on here. Bring them birds out. Start cooking some chicken. We're actually going to do dressing, corn dressing, corn stuffing. We put it together on the stove, but we're gonna put it on the Weber to smoke it with our chickens. We got some green beans with bacon. We're gonna put on here too. Kind of make a complete meal on the Weber. I got the probe in the thigh of the biggest hunk, and you look fast, you can see my temperature gauge. I'm gonna monitor the pit temperature and the temperature of the chicken itself. I got my bottom vent open about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. Top vent, if I can find it where all the snow, I'm gonna open that about 1/4 of an inch too. And I'll adjust it as my temperature goes up and down. It's usually pretty reliable. You don't need too much. There it is. We got green beans and bacon, stuffing, and Weber smoked chicken with applewood. That is my hand model. Puts perfect plate together. Miss Ivy. And we're gonna sit down and enjoy Weber Kettle smoked chicken with green beans and bacon, chicken stuffing, chicken dressing. Starving over here.